Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to preview your YouTube thumbnails before you hit publish using this free mockup generator. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube thumbnail preview tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, you will see a box that says click to upload or drag and drop under the thumbnail image section. Simply upload your thumbnail image. The tool supports image formats up to 5 megabytes. If you already have your image hosted online, you can paste its URL into the or add image link box instead. Next, scroll down to the video title and channel name fields. Here you can type out your exact title and channel name to test your click-through rate accurately. Once your details are filled in, click on the red Generate Preview button at the bottom. The tool will instantly create a live mock-up of the YouTube homepage feed. You'll see your custom thumbnail and title displayed right alongside other popular videos. At the top of the preview, you can toggle between desktop and mobile layouts to make sure your thumbnail looks great on any device. There's also a dark mode toggle on the right side, so you can test how your thumbnail's colors and contrast pop in both light and dark themes. That's it. Your YouTube thumbnail is now fully tested and ready to upload to your channel with confidence. Now you can make sure your videos stand out in the feed and grab more clicks.